Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is very exciting, heartfelt, touching, all those good things mixed with emotions. I'm actually nervous filming this video right now. But what I want to say is, it's 1 year later. 1 year to the day when I first sat down and made my first video. I was nervous as hell, didn't know how to edit, didn't know how to do a thumbnail, didn't know how to do anything. But I was a person who wanted to take a shot, do something new, meet new people. And here I am today, 1 year later. And I've made 1,551 new friends. Now, you could be like, girl, why don't you just say 1,500 plus or 1,550? Because every single one of you guys has made a difference in my life. Every single one of you guys is important. So I will always be thankful for the 1,551. So this is our 1 year check-in. We've made it. We've come this far. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for being there for me through the struggles, the stresses, the mental health, the hating my damn job, just the bitching, complaining, being happy, goofy, all things that I am. And that's unapologetically me. And I couldn't do it without you guys. You guys have picked me up, pulled me through, pushed me through to all the times I wanted to quit. I wanted to quit last month again. And I'm still standing. I'm still here. And yeah, I just had to say thank you guys for being there. You see, I wanted to do a little natural look for you guys today. But anyway, I just want to say thank you. And I look forward to many, many years to come with you guys. I'm not going anywhere. Yes, I'm going to have downfalls. Yes, I'm going to have times I get in the dumps. But I know you guys have my back. And I have faith that we'll get through this together. So, that's really it, guys. I just want to say we made it. It's 1 year in. Tomorrow's 1 year and 1 day. And we're going to keep it pushing. Keep it moving. And I get my first paycheck from YouTube in 4 days. Yeah. Because of you guys. So here I am hitting 1 year. And I'm going to get my first paycheck. I don't know. I'm just elated. I can't believe. If you would have told the girl 1 year ago who sat down in that chair in the living room, who had just gotten over the flu and was hoarse and needed cough drops to film, who was just didn't even realize her damn fire alarm kept beeping in the video. That girl, if you would have told her, she would have been right here, right now, sitting in front of you a year later. With the friendships and relationships that she's made, she'd never believe you. Because that girl didn't believe in herself. And thank you guys. You helped me get through this. And I was very depressed back then. And now I've learned to accept me. Be proud of who I am and know that God made me just the way I am for a reason. And I'm not a crier. Let me make the crying fabulous real quick. But anyways, thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. And until the next video, don't forget, you can't spell Reginald without Gina. Love you guys. Hi guys. Welcome to Gina's Beauty Review. So this is my brand new YouTube channel. And I'm glad all 800 million of you showed up to watch it. Because, of course, it's me. So basically what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do an unboxing of BoxyCharm. I'm just making sure y'all can see all the shades. Oh, the shade of it all. Okay, so I love that it came in the BoxyCharm package. I hope that they put more in their boxes because I love to try more products from them. And then we have the Starlux eye pencil. This is my son Jalen. He keeps bothering me for the camera. He obviously wants to say hello. Say hello to everybody on YouTube.
Hello.
Leave your comments down below. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel. I love you forever. And remember, guys, you can't spell original without Gina.